Next up, we're looking at the challenges in the format and F strings. Uh, so it says, what's the proper way to insert pi into a string uh, to get the string stored in result strings? Right, we want our string to say uh, the value of pi is 3.14. So using an F string, we can see that first off that number is being rounded, right? We have decimal precision to 4 decimal points in the variable pi, but what's being printed in the string is actually only 2. And right, we could see that this first option, it uses both the F string and the dot format. The dot format method is actually a little bit of an artifact. It has not been officially deprecated and removed from the Python programming language. However, I believe it was when version 3.6 or 3.7 was released that they introduced the F string to be used instead of the dot format method on a string. And in general, that's what is preferred today more often than not. But what is certain is that you can't use them both at the same time. So we can immediately rule out choice number 1. Now, if we look at choice number 2 and choice number 4, both of those look like they would be correct. But as I previously mentioned, in the string that we're hoping for, result string, that is rounded to 2. So we must conclude that it's our third option here, using the F string, and then we have our little formula in here for how we would like that integer to be formatted into a string. Specifically, we're saying the name of the variable is pi, then we have a colon and a dot 2. This is saying that we want decimal precision of 2 decimal places, and then F describes the type of variable that pi is, and that is a float. So we can go ahead, check that answer, see that it's correct, sort of demystify the F string and the dot format just a little bit, and see that it's actually quite powerful and useful to be able to use either the F string or the dot format function when you're printing a string to the console or reading in values or files um, in a program using Python.